At NYOH, we're privileged to have an outstanding clinical research program, which a lot of community oncology practices aren't fortunate enough to have. So that's great to be able to offer that to our patients. So we allow them to get cutting-edge cancer treatments close to their home so they don't have to travel long distances, which can be difficult at that time. So there's really all kinds of things going on with research. There's so many different types of cancer. And I think what we're really targeting now is trying to understand the molecular basis of cancer development and its treatment. So really trying to figure out what's causing this cancer and what's making it behave this way. So if we can identify that defect in the cancer cells, we can hopefully come up with drugs to specifically target those abnormalities. And by doing that, hopefully patients can have a better response to whatever their selected treatment is and also have fewer side effects. Being part of a study may enable a patient to have an opportunity to get a drug that otherwise would not be available to them because it's not FDA approved and not thoroughly studied yet. But we would always have some scientific experience with the drug that we have a feeling of why it might be effective for that particular patient. It can be a really great opportunity for them. And then I really think that cancer patients kind of have a certain bond with one another, and maybe even with people they don't know, but just having gone through the experience of having cancer. I think cancer patients are very generous and altruistic to each other. So sometimes that appeal is very important to patients, thinking that they're going to be part of something that is going to help somebody else in their situation in the future. And I often explain it to patients like that when I'm talking about going on a research study. I explain to them that any standard of care we have today is because somebody in the past had the courage to participate on a research study, and that got that drug available for you today. And I think that motivates people to think about their legacy being part of cancer care improvement.